for structure for bottom fish is what we're looking for. We're looking for reefs, edges where the fish hang out off of the current. They're waiting for the food to come by so they can gobble them up. And then the lingcod, we're going to look for jagged structures. We need to get 90 rockfish and 28 lingcod to limit out the whole boat.
Competitor, it was for a little child, and he's not physically able to cook his own fish, and so I was his designated fisher person, and I had a blast. That was the biggest fish I've ever brought in.
Well, it was a great experience to have an oversized fish, especially it's because my dad's buddy Leroy gave me his special hook, his lucky hook.
It's like a big reunion. This is one of the greatest things. People that come back year after year speak for itself. Bud over there, he's one of the nicest people I've ever met in my life. This is a lot of fun.
It's very exciting. If you have any questions, come on down. You can give us a call at the office. I have a full staff there. The girls are knowledgeable about the various fisheries. Phone number will be 1-800-831-2695.
First trip out here in 8 years, and just landed my first sturgeon in 8 years. And it's good stuff. I'm ready to do it again.
He worked me a little bit. Made my arm a little sore, but it was fun. That's what it's all about. Catch fish. Enjoy. Catch a big one though. We didn't get skunked. All right, hey!
All right.
That
Nice
is
fish.
Is that nice? You want to do it again?
Sure.
Well, let's put this one back in the water, shall we? See here, he's got no teeth.
Yeah.
See there? No teeth. Look at that. Got a big mouth. If any of you haven't felt this mouth, you ought to take and put your finger in here and just feel how hard it is. That's why you need to understand you have to set the hooks hard. Attaboy. Okay, now put your other hand up here. That way you can lift better. Okay, up, up, up. You ready to wind? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, you can wind. There you go.
And there he comes.
It's hard. Milt said put it right here. I was, and it was not going anywhere doing anything. It was running away with me.
I like right in through here. Makes a nice view up through Cape Disappointment, all Waikiki Beach. $51 a quart.
Woohoo!
Just a handful. 50. Yeah. Oh, it's over a half. You guys get that? Ready? Making rubber stuff. All right. Wait, wait. Don't waste no time. You gotta do the catwalk and the whole thing. Oh yeah, come on. It's you.
What did he just say? You don't have to tip me.
I gotta go watch my rod, that's why.
Disco dancing, I'm a deckhand, you know what I mean. Around the deck, yeah. On the deck, yeah. Get it?
So now albacore tuna, this is an average size. This fish weighs 17, 18 pounds. We're going to show you here how to loin them out for those folks who would like to do it themselves. Okay, folks, first thing we're going to do here with these fish is we're going to lift up this large fin that you'll find laying on the side of these fish. We're going to make a cut here. This cut will be around the collar of the fish. I would like you to notice that the meat goes all the way up into the middle of the head. In order to get the most meat, you want to do that. Secondly, we're going to score the hide all the way down the belly